This is Inform TV 100, and we are on the Carnival Jubilee, and we are on a sea day. This is a sea day, and this is there's a lounge area. What a beautiful, magnificent sight. This ship has a roller coaster on it, as well as a basketball area. This is Inform TV 100. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. This level has a hot tub as well. Inform TV 100. We're on the Carnival Jubilee. We're on a sea day. This is Inform TV 100. We are entering the breakfast area on the Carnival Jubilee. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. We're moving into the beverage area, coffee. And they have a tea area. And this is a fruit area, self-serve buffet fruit. Here. And this is the omelet. There's an omelet station. It's making self omelets. Beautiful pastry. Every pastry that you can imagine is here. Then there's another fruit station. This is Inform TV 100. We are on the Carnival Jubilee. And of course, coffee station. As we walk through, the dining area. This is the breakfast area. Please click the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. This is Inform TV 100. We're on the Carnival Jubilee. And this is the breakfast area. As we move along, we are on the Jubilee, and this is a sea day. Very friendly staff, hardworking staff, and that's the tides pool. So we are going to move on.